condition of the level. Very soon, I won't pray again. A blessing is down. Imam will get it. Imam will get it. I won't pray. It is too much. And everyone met Tapaka. You want your Mapaka, young Mapaka, that one. A short location, in our language. My uncle, I go chief with you already. So standing on the existing protocol, he goes in a yarn and then I'm asking, I'm going to become 1,000 naira on my chief board. I got to move on, you're going to go to the east again. You have known and then I got to come and I have Jesus. Hey, I'm a mama, I'll be like I'm to the man. I'm a mama. I'm not again. And everybody expected this kind of blessing to carry it for him. It's your Abraham. Bless room where work. Yawur no. All I got there and one another. Yawur no. I know you also. Only you know to know sugar the rest of them. In here, I won't. And let go. I love you. I'm from the SS. People I don't know. I don't think I never. I got to go on. Jesus words. Get to heaven. Nobody come. All the camera. Nobody come. No. One of some group. They got a low stress, it's a bag of talent. But Chineke you are divinely blessed. And you will remain blessed forever. Papa, I have no Marco and go to my eyes. My second, I get you lost. My mom saw that, but I want one I can. Put on, I want you. Hand them without the river. Pastor, and when I said, "Oh, I didn't go to no woman in here with that. That's dollars. I'm not sorting alone. You work on that. Traditional wedding.